Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I want to show you how you can set up the new feature on TikTok, which is screen time management. If you are spending too much time on TikTok and you want to reduce your time on TikTok, this is what you can do. So tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. From here you want to scroll down till you find the digital well-being option. So for me it's right over there. Tap on digital well-being and then you'll see the option at the top that says screen time management. For me it's off. Now if you're not seeing that feature on your TikTok just yet, don't have to worry. All you need to do is make sure your TikTok app is up to date at all times, and when it's released in your country and for your account, you'll see that option pop up. So if I tap on screen time management, you can see here daily screen time is off. So let me just go back and I'll turn it on by tapping on it. So it says here, get notified if you spend 40, 60, 90 or 120 minutes on TikTok per day. If you reach your time, enter a passcode to keep using the app. Manage your daily time or turn the setting on and off at any time. So what you need to do to set this up is, you can see here where it says daily time, just tap on the number next to that and you can set your time period that you want to set. So for me, let me select 90 minutes as an example. Then I'll go back and then you just need to tap on turn on. From here you have to set up a screen time passcode. So I'll do that real quick. Once you've entered in your passcode, just tap on next at the bottom, confirm the passcode, which I'll do right now. And then once the passcode has been confirmed, tap on set at the bottom, and now it is turned on. And you can change the passcode there at the bottom, but you will need to know the original passcode. So now every time I'm on TikTok for more than 90 minutes, a pop-up will appear, and then I will get notified that I'm spending too much time on TikTok. And that's the feature. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.